In this video, I'll show you how to add a table in Canva. It will be a step-by-step tutorial. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Canva account or your Canva profile. If you don't have a Canva profile, I'll be dropping a link in this video description. Ensure you check it out, right, for your own safety and try out your first design. So what you need to do, this is basically the profile preview of Canva. So you click on this create a design, right? Once you click on this create a design, you'll be displayed with a whole lot of options. So what you need to do, you need to click on this whiteboard, right? You click on it, you click on this whiteboard. Yeah, so this is basically a whiteboard for you to design anything you want to design, right? And our main goal is to actually insert a table, right? I'm going to show you how you can insert your own table. So what you need to do, welcome to your first whiteboard. So what you need to do, you need to click on this element. Once I've clicked on it, come on to this search, type in table. Yeah, this is table. You will be displayed with some table options. There's a whole lot of table. So I'm going to click this. Once I've clicked on this, you can see you just inserted your own table right here on Canva. So it's pretty easy. You can still come on here and adjust the table colors. That is the text color. You can change it to red, right? You can change your table color, the color of the table. It can be red, right? You can see, you can fill it to whatever color you want. I can fill it with blue. I can come on here, fill it with green, come on here, fill it with black. So it's pretty easy to do this. So this is very easy. You can see I just colored my table right here, and you can see it's not hard at all to do this. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I will see you guys in the very next one.